According to how you headline it, so it'll dry. I guarantee you, I looked hard some. There's nothing else that will shows how to put that on.
Alright, I'm gonna just do a voiceover. I'm not gonna talk during it, so I'm just filming it right now. I got one at the house. I wish I carried it with me. Alright.
So take 1080 feet.
There's the pin right there. So this camera's filming in 4K. And that pin has to have this spring and this spring. Where's the other little piece that goes on it again?
What little piece?
Got this and this, but there's another piece that goes on top.
The cap.
It ain't there. It ain't there. It's not on the string. So it don't matter if we talk, because I'm gonna just let it go record. Okay. That right there. And I can see it. I'm wiggling it. It's back. Now, when you come in here, get a close up of it. You have to do this. So you have to show that it won't go on. I use that camera. You can't see it though.
What I'll do? I mean, I don't know what you're gonna do next.
Just film me trying to push it on there.
You gonna tie the string on?
No, not yet. Now I want to show that it won't. You can't get it. Can you see it?
Barely, but I got it a lot steadier than you.
Yeah. Watch me get it the first try. Film over the top right there where you see my thumb is. Can you see over the top? You can see the spring. Show it.
What spring?
Over here, right through this hole here. Through that hole. See it right?
Yeah.
All right, now what?
Well, this is why we're
All right,
gonna.
that's good right there. Now we'll just stop it. Well, we don't have to stop it. Just let it play. Just let it play, because I'll just now put the string through it. We'll see if that works.
It's more harder to edit if you have 19 clips.
Right. There's one.
I'd rather put it in the timeline and chop it up myself than have to put 19 clips in there.
Me too. Now where the crap did it go? Watch it fall behind the other side.
Well, not the cap. The cap is the irreplaceable thing too, because I actually got a cap. Guess how much it cost? $25. I'm gonna take it back because you could only buy the whole brake kit.
Where's the pin? There it is. Right
I've laid under this car the whole weekend.
You know what? That clamp's going to have to come off now because it fell. It fell behind the other side. There it is. Right. Wait, magnet.
It's too big. The little one, the top came off.
Oh, remember it? It's not magnetic. We tried that. I have to do it.
It is magnetic. Right there, and right back there is where it's at.
Naturally, it fell on the other side.
I see it. Yep.
Get the pin straight. But we might not even have to put the clamp back on it though if we do it with string. No, it'd be better with the
I
clamp.
would, because that's just more pressure up in it. Right there. It was hooked right in there.
Was it the other way?
Yeah.
Watch out for the brake line back there.
I can't see.
Right there.
I can't see. What, you
Yeah,
listen?
clamp it. I think that's right. I'm hitting it.
That's not tight.
No. That's the right place, just not tight enough. No.
No. Hope that weren't a brake line back there.
No, it was in the front that made it slide. That's it, though. Okay. All right, so you feeling all right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the short piece. Where's the long piece I have? Where's the roll that you have?
Put it up. What happened to the line?
There it is. There it is.
Alright.
Yeah. Film me time. How I can just do a talk. Are you nervous? My gosh, your hands are shaking so much.
Yeah.
Well, the camera's gonna be doing like this.
I got to get it off my leg.
All right, start filming. Get close up of me looping it.
See that little nail head? It's gonna loop it around that nail head. Ah, we got us a fish. I got it back on my leg again.
Film
Alright,
this.
got to put that, for whatever goes on first, that one has to be put on first. The next thing is the spring. And the next thing is the cap. They got them all in order.
Are you filming what I'm showing?
And yeah. And I'm gonna hold the line tight. Here's the cap going on. Now he's got to line the head up, which is the hardest part.
Now,
You need for me to hold the line?
yeah, but I want to show like I'm tying it to something.
Why are you tying it to something?
I'm not, but I'm gonna do that to make it look like I'm tying it. So if there's one person doing it rather than two, I'm not gonna tie it. I'm gonna just pretend. Okay, but now we'll edit this out, so I'm gonna take it back off because you could tie it. They get the idea that you tie it up somewhere. Now just hold it straight. Not put a lot of pressure on it so I can turn the pin. But put, a little bit tighter so it don't pop off. But wait. You got to pull the string down. Pull the string down, because, yeah. Look at there, it's trying to hang up on the spring.
I don't know who invented this contraption.
They knew what they were doing.
You ever heard of a boat with a spring on it?
There it is. If I could just get this. Now the spring's trying to catch on the daggone thing. Alright, make sure you keep it toward me though. Don't the string, because
Toward you?
yeah, the string. No. Oh, maybe I can get it on. Okay. Still trying to daggone. It's like it's trying to daggone. Here, maybe I need to hold the spring on the string, maybe, because I got to pull it this way. Oh, it come out the hole, the thing over there when we release the tension. That's why it's not moving this way. Now, that's got to be turned up. Let me hold the string. Let me hold it. Because I can loosen it or tighten it, whichever, whenever I need it. See, it keeps trying to go in there that crossway.
You know we can just buy the tool, right?
Yeah. I know you said that. If I get this in there.
It's still gonna be hard even to do it.
Make sure that rascal's turned the right way. Where are we? Where are you? The thing is that this tie with the string on it is turn it one way, and see that trying to turn is the string is trying to go in the gap.
Yeah.
That's what it's trying to do. I know why they daggone left the brake off there. Alright, that's the way I want it to go. It's almost like that don't have enough. I ain't gonna be able to pull it now. Where's the pin? Look at the pin. The pin is trying to go that way.
Yep.
No matter how, but the string on this, it's a good idea, but the string on this keeps trying to go in the slot rather than the thing. So I wonder if I do this instead without this. Look at that. Got to take this off, put the spring on it.
Move your groove up. Your groove is out of line.
Oh, well, that might be another thing. There. Now, maybe if I just do this. That's going to cut that string. Feel it. Oh, shoot. Pliers went through it. I almost had it. I didn't want to fall behind it.
You want me to continue before we roll?
Yeah, because I'll just edit it out. Until the battery goes in. I do that all the time. This way. That's it, baby. Don't you move. Don't you move.
No, it didn't. Did it catch?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah. Where's the knife? Scissors. Keep filming.
Hold down. The hold down.